Welcome! We are here today in Markham's premier gated community of Swan Lake. Follow us, we have a spectacular unit to show you. We are thrilled to introduce you to Suite 404 at 50 the Boardwalk Way.
We are featuring a 2-bedroom, 2-full washroom condo with over 1,100 square feet of immaculate living space. Enjoy the elegance and sophistication of a spacious split bedroom floor plan with 9-foot ceilings with crown molding, as well as a cozy gas fireplace in the living room.
The chef's kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a sunlit breakfast nook with access to a private balcony that overlooks mature trees. This resort-like community features endless amenities such as 24-hour gatehouse security, indoor and outdoor pools, a gym, social events, tennis, pickleball, games room, clubhouses, libraries, beautiful pond, and outdoor trails to walk and explore. You will always have a fun-filled activity to be a part of.
This is an opportunity you do not want to miss. So come along, book your private showing today.